Take a new slide. Just enter a text box here. Type whatever you want. Like I'm typing here agenda slide. Change the sizes as per your requirement. Underline. Take one more text box and adjust it as per suitable position. I'll make it a little bit up. Now insert shape. I will take here rectangle. I'll increase some more size. Shape outline, no outline. I'll take one more shape here. Withdraw and adjust it the same size as the rectangle. Change the shape to oval. Now we adjust it. Now I will select both these shapes and change the color. Now I select the both shapes. Go to shape format. Make it fragment. We get the external shapes that we required. Delete this. Just take the required size like this, and then also rotate another one. This one, we should rotate it first. Okay. Now fix it on the shape. Then select all. Select all. Go to shape format. Subtract. Now you find and you got the shape that you required. Now insert shapes, a circle. Adjust it as shown in the slide. Click it, no outline. Shape color we change a little bit different. Now select both the shapes and subtract. Sorry, once more I will check. Now I will check. Select all. Insert. Sorry, shape format. Subtract. Now I will adjust the circle. Change the color blue. Okay, this one I will check and then set it here. Decrease the size of the circle a little bit. Now adjust it in the frame. Now group it, group. Now you get the shape. Just increase and then copy, duplicate it. Control D. Two more duplicates. Change the colors of the other shapes which we have duplicated here. Now we got the shapes. Take the text box. I have pasted here a sample text. You can paste or you can write as per your requirement, whatever the text you need here. Then next, take a copy, Control D, duplicate it. Similar, two more needed. So we copy here. Then we go to second one to type the title. Like I need planning here. Execution here. And here the control as per my requirement, and you can write as per your requirement. Now go to icons. You can choose from here the projects. So I'll take this one, paste it, and change the position, change the graphic color, graphic fill. So I'll take it blue. Oh, okay. I will take a different one like this, red, orange. Take whatever icons as needed, like whatever you want. You can type here and take the icons and fix it on the position. Then it looks beautiful for your slide. Change the color, take red, fine. we make a duplicate of this shape format and group, then delete this circle. Just we need to make it a 3D effects to these shapes, so I'm fixing this and the position. So send it to back after fixing this. Send to back. Now it looks at a 3D type. Adjust as per requirement. Now duplicate the shape, bring to the position, send it to back, go to shape format, one more duplicate needed. Now send to back, this one also send to back, send to back. I'll change the color of this shape, will take it yellow, looks good. Here also we change the same color, and also here it gives an illusional effect to the text as well with the same color as text. So thank you for watching.